Okay, this is question number 50 from chapter number 29 of H.C. Verma, Electric Field and Potential. That's the chapter. The bob of a simple pendulum has a mass of 40 gram and a positive charge of 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs. It makes 20 oscillations in 45 seconds. Okay. A vertical field, electric field pointing upward and of magnitude this much is switched on. How much time will it now take to complete 20 oscillations? So let's see. So here you can see a simple pendulum. This is the string and this is the pendulum itself of mass m. Okay. Now what are the forces acting on this pendulum if there is no electric field? In that case we have tension over here and we have mg downwards. Okay. Mg is acting downwards. So in this case, what is the time period? Time period will be 2 pi root L by G. Okay. The net force acting on the pendulum besides tension is mg. Okay. So time period is 2 pi under root L by G. Now let's take another situation when the electric field is turned on, which is pointing upwards. So now in this new situation, we have one more force which will act upwards. That will be equal to QE because the electric field is acting in the upward direction. Okay. Q is the charge of the pendulum, charge of the bob, and E is the electric field. So Q is acting upwards. So now the net force is how much? Downwards. What I can do is now, I can remove this force from here and instead write down mg minus QE as the net force. So this will be, I could say, equal to mg dash, apparent gravity. Okay, mg dash will be apparent gravity. Then g dash will be what? G minus QE by M. And then I will get my new time period. T2 will be equal to 2 pi under root L by G dash. So this will be equal to 2 pi under root L by G minus QE by M. Okay. Now let's compare the two time periods. So T1 upon T2 will be under root G dash by G. Okay. Or we can write down T2 will be T1 times root G by G dash. Okay. Now let's just put the values. So what is the initial time period? Initial time period is it is taking making 20 oscillations in 45 seconds. So time period will be 45 by 20. Initial time period will be 45 seconds by 20 oscillations. Root G will be, they have given in the question, they are not given. So we take G equal to 9.8 divided by G dash will be what? G dash will be G minus QE by M. So G minus QE by M. So Q is given to be 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs. E is 2.5 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. So 4 into 10 power minus 6 into 2.5 into 10 power 4. This is Q into E. And divided by mass of the pendulum, that is 40 grams. 40 grams means 0.04 kilogram. So this will come out to be equal to 45 by 20. T2 equal to 45 by 20 root 9.8 divided by 9.8 minus 2.5. So this will be equal to 45 by 20 into 1.16 seconds. This is the time period in new situation. So the time for 20 oscillation will be how much? Time for 20 oscillations will be 20 T2. Okay, that will be equal to 20 T2. So that will be equal to 45 into 1.16. So that will be equal to 52.2 seconds. Okay, this is the answer.